Today I'm going to show you how to use a battery tester. I have some popular batteries at the top. Let's get started with the 9-volt. So you can see that there is two prongs on top, so that's how you test the 9-volt battery. So we'll go ahead and stick it on, and as you can see, that is good. Next we'll try a C-size battery, and that's also good. And next we'll try a AA battery, and you can see that that's good as well. So what this has is it has green is good, yellow is low, and red is replace. And that's with 1.5 batteries and a 9-volt battery. To test a button size battery, which is the bottom indicator, it also has green, yellow, and red for good, weak, or low, and replace. So let's go ahead and try a button size battery in here and test that. And as you can see, it shows that it's in the good section. It's the bottom line, not the top one, but the bottom. Now, this can't test a popular button size battery, the CR2025. It's a 3-volt, and this is only rated up to a 1.5 volt. So don't think that you'll be able to test these kind of batteries, which are very popular in remotes and scales and all kinds of stuff. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like when you put in a battery that has no charge. So you can see it barely moved up on the replace section, and that means it's bad, and I have written on it that it's bad. So this is a great little tester. You can pick one up for less than $8 on Amazon. I recommend getting one. How many times have you gone to replace a whole bunch of batteries in a toy and realized that you may have mixed some of the batteries up, and now you don't know which ones are the good ones, which ones are the bad ones? And it's good just to be able to tell if your battery's bad or if your device is bad. Anyways, thanks for watching.